Hello again, another Lenovo laptop for disassembly. This is Lenovo B590. Customer complains that when the fan is spinning it makes some rattling noises and the laptop overheats, so he wants the thermal paste replaced and eventually to have a look at the fan. So let's start. We're gonna remove all the screws on the back. After that we're gonna remove the keyboard, because I think we need to remove the keyboard in order to disassemble the laptop. So let's start. We're gonna remove the back cover first. Just slide it backwards. Now we have the Wi-Fi cables. We need to remove the Wi-Fi because if we need to remove the board it will block. So now we're gonna remove the optical drive and the hard drive, of course, like this. Now we need to remove the rest of the screws. We have 3 here under the optical drive. Now we got the screws removed, all of the same size except the ones here which are under the optical drive. So let's have a look again. We have some broken plastic rivets, but yeah, it's an old laptop. We have it here broke on the hinge, so yeah. Now we need something sharp in order to remove the keyboard. Like this. Be careful with the cable. Okay. The laptop has been opened before because the warranty seal is broken. We have a lot of dust here, so let's remove. We have 3 screws on this side which are different from the ones on the back. Now we need to disconnect some cables like this, and now I think we should be able to separate the plastic. Did we forgot a screw someplace? No, everything is removed. Probably it's just stuck. Yeah. Now let's double check the screws on the hinges because they are important. Yeah, this one is very loose. This one also. So now we only need this side of the board we don't need this, so we're gonna disconnect the cables as much as we can. We're gonna take out the power connector. This is a speaker, I think, right one and left one, and we need to disconnect the cable for the display like this. So now we have to remove, we have one more cable here. This is for the microphone, I think. Like this. Now we have 3 screws that we need to remove, and I think we should be able to lift the board. Let's try. The board is out. We're gonna put this on the side. That's the microphone. We have to install it after that. That's the board. We have 4 screws on the CPU and 3 screws which are holding the GPU. It's with some NVIDIA GPU. So we're gonna disconnect the fan and we're gonna lift the cooler like this. Now we're gonna put this on the side also, and we'll have a look on the fan because the client says it makes some strange noises. So if we are able, we can put some oil on it. As you see, if the camera can focus, we have some dust here, and we can separate the fan. So let me just clean it a little bit with a brush and we're gonna continue. The grill is clean, the fan is clean. So right now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna clean the fan on the inside a little bit. After that I'm gonna put some oil so we can lubricate it a little bit. First thing, I'm gonna clean this with some alcohol because with the time this is getting full of dust like this. You see there's a lot of dust inside. So after doing so, we're gonna put some machine oil here. Don't try and spray on the outside because with the time it's getting filled with dust and it makes the things worse. So as you can see, the fan is spinning nicely, so I think it should be fine. Now let's reassemble the fan. Let's clean the paste, let's replace it and put all the screws back. I'm gonna use a dry Q-tip first to get the old paste as much as I can. We're gonna clean the cooler also. The paste is quite dry, so it was about time to be replaced. And after cleaning with the Q-tip, we're gonna clean with alcohol. Like this, nice and shiny. Don't push the cooler too much, otherwise you can bend it. Keep that in mind. Like this. Now let's apply the paste. Arctic MX4, decent paste, good quality. Don't put too much paste, otherwise you'll have more to clean next time. Now it may look a lot, but actually it's a very thin layer, so now let's put the cooler back. Don't tie the screws all the way in. Try to put even pressure on all the screws so you don't crack the CPU or something like that. Also, don't forget to plug the fan, because sometimes I do this. Let me clean the case a little bit. Now let's put the board back. Slide it like this, and then just put all the cables back. First, make sure that everything sits nice and flat. Okay, like this. Now we're gonna put the screws, and after that we're gonna put the microphone back. Like this. Now let's put the microphone. Now we have to connect the speakers. We have to connect the power cable, like I said. People are coming in the shop, so I have to pause the recording from time to time. Now let's connect the LCD cable. And the cable here for the USB and the card reader. Pretty much that's the way. Now let's put back plastic. Three screws also. Let's connect the cables and we're gonna start the laptop to check is the fan work okay, is it spinning, and so. And after that we're gonna put the keyboard back. The fan is spinning, we have picture, yeah, no hard drive of course, but the fan is spinning very nicely, no sound from it, so I think the customer should be happy. Let's clean the keyboard a little bit. Let's connect it. Something is not right here. Yeah, it's okay now. Now the only thing we gotta do, put all the screws back, put the hard drive. Let's put the smaller screws here on the optical drive first. Now, after putting all the screws back, we have to put the hard drive, the optical drive, the Wi-Fi, put the cables back, and pretty much that's the whole procedure. The screws for the optical drive, for the hard drive, and for the Wi-Fi, they're the same size, so now I have to put the cables. This one shouldn't be like that, so I'm gonna rotate it. Yeah, that's better. Now let's put the back cover. I'm gonna put the battery. And one final test. I'm gonna clean the laptop on the outside after that. Pressing the power button, laptop starts, we have picture, and Windows is loading. There's a customer information, so yeah, it's booting to Windows. Pretty much, I'm gonna clean the laptop on the outside. I'm gonna call the customer to come and pick it up. So that's the way how you replace the thermal paste on this Lenovo laptop. I hope you liked the video. Bye bye for now.